Today we're going to be discussing how $1 billion of Shib can be burned. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach. Welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu Coin you have, how many you want to have, and then also consider leaving a like and subscribe, as it really helps with the growth of the channel. Also, if you guys have not already, go ahead and get signed up with Public with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1 and you'll get up to $300 of the free stock that you can sell and invest in a Shiba Inu Coin and get yourself some free Shib with that first link in the description. I personally got a $300 stock of Amazon, $50 stock worth of Peloton. So if you guys want to try your luck out with this, and go ahead and deposit $1 on Public with the first link. Also, we're going to be giving $100 of Bitcoin away at 100 patrons. So if you guys want to get joined up, get our buy and sell alerts in our private Discord, go ahead and get signed up with the second link in our description. But anyways, we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu Coin today. So if you guys want to hear a lot about the burn roadmap and how we're going to be able to burn so much Shib, go ahead and stick around till the end of the video, also for my technical analysis. But anyways, the first thing we're going to be going over is going to be Accomplished Key 317. If you guys don't know, this is the person who has basically created a bunch of Shiba Inu Coin burn games. So if you guys don't know, you can literally play all these different games on the App Store, such as Brickbuster, and you can literally burn Shiba Inu Coin. And you can see that he gave us an update today 10 hours ago. Finally got the update. Unfortunately, there were a couple $100 worth of invalid traffic, he says, over the course of the month, but honestly not as bad as I expected considering how much hacking was going on. $12,400 he was able to raise to burn Shib. At the current market price, that is 571 million Shib. Now that's a ton of Shib. He's doing about $124 per day, or $600 per day. Actually, it's probably closer to $400 to $600 a day. But last month he was able to do $12.4 thousand worth of revenue that he's able to burn in Shiba Inu Coin. So just congrats to Accomplished Key for being able to do all this. He's already at 358 million Shib burned, and now he's up to I believe it should be somewhere close to 1 billion Shib burned. But yeah, those games are doing some awesome stuff. So that's one way we're going to be burning Shiba Inu Coin, is through this guy's burn games. You guys can go check it out if you want on 317 Key. But anyways, now we're going to talk about how much was burned in the month of January. So Shib Burn takes advantage of January dip, burning 1.3 million in Shib. So the burns continue. Shiba Inu owners may have seen their holdings drop in price, but community burns took advantage of these sales to maintain a large burn rate, destroying about 1.3 billion Shib throughout January. Shib burning, the act of destroying Shiba Inu coins by sending them to a dead wallet address, has become a popular community activity. At its current price, the collective Shib burned $30,000 this month. Here's a breakdown of the top burns this month. So basically, they talk about the Bricks Burner mobile game. So this is how you burn Shiba Inu Coin, what I just showed you guys on that Twitter account. And by the way, guys, there's 1.3 billion Shib burned in January through 293 separate burns. And then this is the largest individual burn of the month. This was worth about 7,180 the day of the burn, using the ad revenue of the game like we talked about. The second largest individual burn came from Bigger Entertainment, which has now destroyed 1 billion Shib itself. This month, its largest burn on January 7th burned 103 million Shib, worth $3,000 that day. While coming through 58 transactions, the collectible Shiboshi NFT burns contributed to 109 million through name changes. 188 Shib added 1.88 million Shib at a time. But yeah, so it's been a slow and steady couple of days for this Shiba Inu Coin burns, obviously, but these are only going to be increasing. Other notable burns this month include Shib Burn Tracker's destruction of 100 million Shib, and Shiba Search's 60 million Shib burn. So basically, we are starting to build an ecosystem of different things that are able to burn Shiba Inu Coin. The total remains down from the 1.96 billion Shib burnt in December. That was our record month. Regardless, Shib holders remain positive for the future of burnings, as many projects on the Shiba Inu roadmap vow to include consistent burning mechanics. And this is going to be the really big thing, is that we're going to need a ton of different ecosystem or things in our ecosystem in order to burn enough Shib to get to 1 cent. Obviously, we're going to need more than just a few small companies. We're going to need things such as the Shiba Inu Coin game, Shibarium, and different things coming out for Shiba Inu Coin to all burn Shiba Inu Coin, so that as we use it daily, we are able to burn Shib daily as well. But this is a great start with everything we have so far, and I think it's going just fine. Also, I do want to mention $1 billion worth of Ethereum has been burned in the past 30 days with the introduction of the EIP 1559 upgrade in last August. So if you guys don't know, Ethereum burning was implemented, and they were able to do $1 billion worth. So if Ethereum could do it, we can do it. And if we're able to do that, we would definitely be at 1 cent, obviously way quicker than the rate we're going now. But if Ethereum's able to do it, once we have a bull run this year, I think we're going to be able to do this as well. But hopefully everything we've created in this ecosystem will be able to support that. But yeah, I just wanted to bring that up. Also, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, XRP have caught Arizona State Senator's eye. Here's what she had to say. So the Arizona State Senator Wendy Rogers was settling below the crypto spotlight following her interest in Bitcoin. Now the state senator was speaking out about other cryptos such as Shiba Inu. Obviously, we want to go over what she said about Shib, not really caring about the others. She said, "I don't understand Shib, I don't understand Doge, but I do understand freedom. People should be able to buy whatever digital coins they want, even if they aren't as good as Bitcoin." And I would argue Shib is better than Bitcoin. But despite suggesting Shib and Doge weren't as good as the OG cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, she wanted to be able to buy what they wanted. Rogers was undoubtedly rooting for what Bitcoin stands for, the financial freedom. So this is something really awesome. I do agree with her that you should be able to buy what you want, and luckily I live in Arizona right now, so I would love regulatory stuff to stay away for as long as possible. But yeah, now let's go over the global crypto market. We're sitting at 1.68 trillion, a 4% decrease. That is quite fine. Shiba Inu Coin down here at the 15th spot in terms of market cap. We are sitting at about a $500 million volume for the last day. We're pretty much just seeing a calm before the storm, trading very tightly and to the right. But yeah, now we can check out the technical analysis. We're forming a great base here with Shiba Inu Coin between the 24 resistance and the 20 support. Over the last day, our volume has been pretty low and pretty much just trading right tightly between the 2150 and the 22, not really breaking either way. We're gonna have a short-term resistance at both of these areas at the 22, and then obviously a short-term support at the 21 as well. So that's what you guys should honestly be on the lookout for, is whether or not we're gonna dip below this 2150 right here, or whether we're gonna go above the 22. If we go above the 22, we could possibly test the 23 or the 24. If we dip below the 21.5, we could possibly test all the way down to 20 at some point. So we have been kind of trending downward on the RSI, but it's trending straight to the right on the MACD. So everything's kind of cooled off. We could make a run if the right conditions were there. But yeah, make sure you guys get your free stock with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1 and you'll get up to $300 worth of free stock. I personally got a $300 stock of Amazon. Might as well try your luck with the first link in the description. Also, go ahead and get joined up with our private Discord if you guys want to get our buy and sell alerts and want to be entered into a $100 Bitcoin giveaway at 100 patrons. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got for you guys today. Make sure you guys subscribe. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next one.